Some countries hand out life sentences for juveniles who are tried as adults, but those cases are always subject to review because they believe that these kids can be reformed. It is estimated that approximately 10,000 Americans are serving life sentences for crimes that they committed when they were under 18. In this video, we are going to discuss top 6 dangerous teen convicts and what they look like today. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. Before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 5. Catherine and Curtis Fairchild Jones. On the night of January 6, 1999, Sonia Spates sat down to do a jigsaw puzzle. As the 29-year-old teacher's aide worked in the dining room of the Port St. John, Florida home she shared with her boyfriend and his 2 children, she was shot 4 times with a 9mm semi-automatic gun. The gun belonged to her boyfriend. The shots were fired by his children. The children dragged Spates' body through the house to a bathtub, making a crude effort to clean up the trail of blood in the carpet using some bleach. The pair, who were at the time the youngest murderers convicted as adults in the United States, will spend the rest of their lives on probation. 10 years after the children were locked up, records reviewed by Florida in 2009 revealed that Curtis and Catherine had endured a tortured home life marked by several incidents of physical and sexual violence. Number 4. Atif, Rafique, and Sebastian Burns. 3 Innocence Projects have now taken up the case of West Vancouver men Atif, Rafique, and Sebastian Burns, who in 2004 was convicted of the 1994 slayings of Rafique's parents and sister in their Bellevue, Washington home. Former Vancouver teacher and writer Ken Klonsky is the director of Innocence International, founded by the late Reuben "Hurricane" Carter in 2004. He decided to take on the case after seeing a film about the case made by Burns' sister. Klonsky believes that there's not enough evidence to convict Rafique and Burns, and that the confession central to their 2004 conviction should be thrown out because it was a Mr. Big operation. He says one of the challenges any new trial or acquittal of Rafique and Burns faces is unearthing all of the evidence and having it tested. Number 3. Joshua Smith. A troubled 14-year-old Detroit boy broke into his stepdad's bedroom, stole a 12-gauge shotgun, and used it to fire 10 shots into his mother as she slept on a couch in the living room of her home. Grieving family members have custody of Robinson's surviving 5-year-old daughter, Joshua's little sister, who witnessed the crime. After the shooting, police caught the teenager driving around in his mother's stolen car. A judge will determine if Joshua will be tried as an adult. Number 2. Evan Miller. In 2003, at age 14, Evan Miller committed a terrible crime. In the tiny town of Moulton, Allah, Miller beat his neighbor to death with a baseball bat and then set his trailer on fire. By age 14, Miller had attempted suicide 4 times, the first when he was 6. He had been in and out of foster care because his stepfather beat him and his mother abused drugs and alcohol. A jury convicted him of murder, and Miller was sentenced in 2006 to life without the possibility of parole. The Miller ruling was the 3rd of 4 cases in which the Supreme Court has ruled that kids must be held to a different standard from adults. Number 1. Jacob P. Ind. A Colorado man convicted in the deaths of his mother and stepfather in 1992 has been sentenced to 60 years in prison. The Gazette reports Jacob Ind was sentenced Tuesday after pleading guilty to second-degree murder in the deaths of Kermode and Pamela Jordan in Woodland Park, and was previously sentenced to life in prison for the killings that occurred when he was 15 years old. He was granted a new trial after a judge ruled his rights were violated when his court-appointed attorney blocked him from taking the stand in the 1992 trial. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.